Howdy y'all, I'm Harold.
And I'm Katrina.
And we are
HandK Living Life.
HandK Living Life is all about our adventures as we enjoy our time together, getting back to enjoying life in the outdoors. We have enjoyed motorcycle touring spanning over 20 years or so, and we have decided that it's time for new adventures.
So we sold the motorcycle and we purchased an off-road camper trailer to pull behind our Jeep. Throughout our adventures, you may find us camping at pay campsites or off-grid in some national forests or even on public lands. You may even find us exploring some 4x4 trails in our truck.
We hope our videos will inspire others to get out there and create new memories. We would love to hear from you, so please feel free to leave comments and suggestions for other content and must-see places to visit.
So if our channel sounds like something you might want to follow, be sure and click that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more notifications of upcoming videos.